Welcome to Finassets. In this video, you'll learn how to integrate a crypto checkout into your payment page quickly and efficiently. Let's start from the Finassets homepage. Finassets is a crypto payment gateway founded in 2021, designed for businesses that want to accept cryptocurrency payments easily. One of the key advantages of Finassets is its built-in Tron energy saving system. This feature helps reduce Tron network fees by more than 50%, making it especially efficient for businesses accepting USDT TRC20 payments. It offers low transaction fees, starting from 0.4% and decreasing to 0.2% as your transaction volume grows. The platform also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including stablecoins like USDT and USDC. Now, let's see how it works in practice. We'll move to the Finassets demo and create a crypto payment button. Inside the demo dashboard, click on Payment Gateway and start by adding a new project. This allows you to connect your website and manage crypto payments in one place. Here, you need to enter your project name and company name. Then, select the assets you want to make available to your customers. Add your website URL where you plan to use the payment system, and adjust the settings based on your business needs. Once everything is set, simply click Add. Next, click on Manage, then go to Integration. Once everything is configured, copy the generated code and add it to your website. This creates a fully functional crypto checkout that your customers can start using right away. Now, let's take a look at how the checkout appears from the user's perspective. The customer selects USDT as the payment method and chooses the Tron network. They are then provided with the payment details and can complete the transaction. The process is fast, intuitive, and designed to deliver a smooth checkout experience. It allows you to accept cryptocurrency payments directly, without any complex setup or technical overhead. And that's how you integrate a crypto checkout into your payment page using Finassets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Finassets.